Go. Come here, Nico. Come here. Hurry. Oh, Jesus. I'm so sorry. I left you all day. I'm sorry. I was busy. You understand? Are you okay?
Nico.
You alright? You fine with that? What? You had a long day. I'm so sorry. I know. I left you all day.
Nico.
You know I love you, buddy. You know I love you. I know. You were in that crate all day, huh? I know. He misses me so much. I know. I'm sorry, bud. I had work. Is that okay? Is that alright? Is that alright? Yeah. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I know. Alright.